Honorable juries, teachers, and committees, best regards to all the participants and my beloved brothers and sisters. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most gracious. All praises be to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the Lord of the world, the master of the day after, the creator of everything in this universe. Peace and salutation be upon our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, who has brought us from the darkness into the brightness and guided us into the right way of life. Ladies and gentlemen, in this good opportunity, I would like to deliver a speech entitled Ramadan, the Islamic month of fasting. Ramzan is the ninth month of Islamic calendar. It is the Islamic month of fasting in which Muslims refrain from eating, drinking and bad attitudes from dawn until sunset. Fasting is meant to teach the Muslim passions, modesty and spirituality. Ramadan is a time for Muslims to fast for the sake of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and to offer more prayer than usual. During Ramadan, Muslims ask forgiveness for past sins, pray for guidance and help in refraining from everyday evils and also try to purify themselves through self-controls. Thanks for listening.